Confidence is something almost everyone wants. We all want to feel strong when we face challenges. We all want to believe in ourselves when we speak, when we make decisions, and when we chase our dreams. Confidence makes life easier. It allows us to try new things, to meet new people, and to move forward even when we feel afraid. But for many of us, confidence does not come naturally. We doubt ourselves. We think we are not good enough. We worry about mistakes, and we compare ourselves to others. The question is, how can we build real confidence, the kind that does not disappear when life gets hard? One powerful way is through mindfulness practices. Mindfulness is the art of paying attention to the present moment with kindness. It means noticing what is happening inside you and around you without judgment. When you are mindful, you are not lost in the past or the future. You are not busy comparing or criticizing yourself. You are simply here, breathing, living this moment as it is. It may sound simple, but mindfulness has the power to change the way we see ourselves and the way we live. So why is mindfulness connected to confidence? Because confidence is not only about skills. It is not only about success. True confidence is about knowing yourself and trusting yourself. It is about feeling calm in your own skin, even when things are uncertain. And mindfulness helps us do exactly that. It helps us see our thoughts, understand our emotions, and stay steady when the world shakes us. Think about a time when you lacked confidence. Maybe you were about to speak in public. Your heart was racing, your hands were shaking, and your mind was full of thoughts like, I will forget my words. People will laugh at me. I cannot do this. In that moment, your confidence disappeared because your attention was not in the present. Your mind was lost in fear about the future. But imagine if, instead, you stopped for one breath. You noticed your heart beating. You felt your feet on the ground. You told yourself, this is just my body preparing. I am here. I can speak one word at a time. That is mindfulness. And in that small shift, confidence begins to grow. Mindfulness builds confidence in many ways. First, it helps us become aware of our negative self-talk. We often speak to ourselves in harsh voices. We say, I am stupid. I am weak. I will fail. These words cut our confidence. But when we are mindful, we notice these thoughts as just thoughts, not as truths. We learn to pause and say, this is a thought, not a fact. I do not need to believe it. Slowly, we replace self-criticism with self-compassion. And self-compassion is the soil where confidence grows. Second, mindfulness helps us stay calm under pressure. Life is full of stressful moments, interviews, exams, arguments, unexpected problems. When stress rises, confidence falls, unless we have tools to stay centered. Mindfulness gives us those tools. A deep breath, a short pause, a focus on what is happening right now instead of what might happen tomorrow. These simple practices keep us steady. And when we feel steady, we feel confident. Third, mindfulness teaches us acceptance. Confidence is not about being perfect. It is about accepting ourselves as we are, with strengths and weaknesses. Mindfulness shows us that it is okay to feel nervous. It is okay to make mistakes. It is okay to be human. When we accept this, we no longer fight ourselves. We no longer waste energy hiding our flaws. Instead, We stand with more honesty and more confidence. Fourth, mindfulness trains our focus. Confidence grows when we give our full attention to the task in front of us. But our mind often jumps between past regrets and future fears. Mindfulness brings us back. It says, do this step now. Say this word now. Take this action now. With focused attention, performance improves. And when performance improves, confidence naturally rises. Let us look at some mindfulness practices that help build confidence. One of the simplest is mindful breathing. Sit quietly, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Feel the air enter and leave. Notice when your mind wanders and gently bring it back. This practice trains your attention. It also calms your nervous system. After a few minutes, you feel more centered. And when you are centered, you feel more confident. Another practice is body scanning. Lie down or sit comfortably. Bring your attention to different parts of your body, from your feet to your head. Notice tension. Notice relaxation. Notice sensations without judgment. This practice connects you with your body. It reminds you that confidence is not only in the mind, it is also in how you feel in your body. When you know your body, you stand taller, you move with more strength, and you speak with more presence. Mindful walking is another tool. When you walk, instead of rushing, pay attention to each step. Feel your feet touch the ground. Feel the rhythm of your movement. Notice the air, the sounds, the colors around you. Walking mindfully teaches calm and presence. It shows that confidence can grow even in simple actions, like walking down the street with awareness and dignity. Gratitude practice also builds confidence. Each day, take a moment to write down 3 things you are thankful for. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. It reminds you that your life already has value, already has strength. A grateful heart is a confident heart because it sees abundance instead of emptiness. Visualization can be practiced mindfully too. Imagine yourself facing a challenge with calm and strength. See yourself speaking clearly, acting wisely, smiling with courage. When you visualize with attention and presence, your brain starts to believe it. Later, when the real moment comes, you feel more ready. Mindfulness in daily tasks also helps. Washing dishes, drinking tea, talking to a friend, if you do them with attention, they become training for calm and confidence. Each small act of presence strengthens the muscle of mindfulness. And each time you are present, you are also confident because you are fully living the moment. Of course, mindfulness is not magic. It does not build confidence in one day. It is a practice. At first, it feels difficult. Your mind wanders. Your body feels restless. But with time, you notice small changes. You react less quickly in anger. You speak with a little more clarity. You feel a little more at peace. These small changes grow. Slowly, your confidence becomes stronger. There will still be storms. You will still face challenges. But with mindfulness, you face them differently. Instead of saying, "I cannot handle this," you say, "I will take one breath. I will take one step. I will be here now." And this is the essence of confidence, the belief that you can handle this moment. Not the whole future, not every possibility, just this moment. And if you can handle one moment, you can handle the next and the next. Mindfulness also teaches us humility. Confidence is not arrogance. It is not shouting, "I am the best." True confidence is quiet. It is steady. It is respectful. It says, "I trust myself and I also respect others." Mindfulness helps us find this balance. It helps us stay confident without being proud, strong without being hard, brave without being blind. In the end, building confidence through mindfulness is about changing our relationship with ourselves. It is about being kinder, calmer, and more present. It is about seeing that we are enough, even when we are not perfect. It is about trusting that we can face each moment as it comes. With mindfulness, confidence is no longer a mask we wear for others. It is a quiet flame inside us, steady and real. So let us begin. Let us take one breath. Let us notice this moment. Let us practice mindfulness in small ways each day. Slowly, confidence will grow. Slowly, storms will feel lighter. Slowly, we will discover that we already have the strength we were looking for. Mindfulness does not give us confidence from outside. It awakens the confidence that was always inside us. And when we live with this confidence, we can move through life with more peace, more courage, and more joy.